Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about top 10 Android games to play in 2021. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Mobile gaming used to be dominated by little, throwaway games or gacha garbage, but in 2021, the landscape of mobile gaming will undoubtedly change. In recent years, mobile gaming has evolved tremendously, with new and exciting games being released on a regular basis. Of course, 2021 will be no different, with fantastic games from a variety of genres available on the Google Play Store to enchant any gamer. Games released in recent years not only encourage owners of mobile phones to upgrade their models, but also provide gamers with a highly efficient gaming experience. While certain games demand payment, there are instances when free games on the Android platform are just as wonderful. With so many games to select from, separating the jewels from the garbage may be exceedingly tough. As a result, understanding the top Android games available in 2021 will be highly important for players who want to have a nice time rather than waste valuable data and storage space. Number 10. Grid Autosport. Grid Autosport, which costs $9.99, should be a revelation for Android users who grumble about having no good racing games to play. Furthermore, this mobile game is absolutely free of advertisements, ensuring that the player has an uninterrupted time racing across the game's more than 100 tracks. Players can select from a variety of vehicles, and one of the most appealing aspects of Grid Autosport is that it is a simulation game. As a result, gamers should expect some genuine consequences when they crash into walls at breakneck speed. However, an easy-to-use and straightforward training module ensures that drivers are well versed in the game's controls before being thrown into a race for glory. Number 9. PUBG Mobile. PUBG is likely one of the best battle royale games available, and it is also one of the most downloaded games with over 10 million downloads. Following the success of the PC version, PUBG developed a mobile version called PUBG Mobile, as well as a light version called PUBG Mobile. Despite minor differences in game mechanics and other aspects from the PC version, this Android game is still a fantastic FPS/TPS. PUBG is a wonderful game to play because of its excellent graphics, easy and simple controls, and a novel idea featuring 100 players battling it out on a vast island until only one man remains. After a set period of time, the playing area shrinks, and players must loot, hide, and kill to stay alive long enough to eat the chicken dinner. Even better, it's completely free to play. Number 8. Genshin Impact. Genshin Impact is one of the top free-to-play games on the Android platform, and it was also named one of the best mobile games of 2020 by Android Authority. The game received positive reviews from both critics and players at its release, and this can be credited to the game's excellent graphics and gameplay. It is an action-based RPG with gacha mechanics. Players can gain additional characters using the game's gacha system and party system, and Genshin Impact's open-world action makes it one of the greatest games in its genre. Number 7. Riptide GP Renegade. Riptide GP Renegade, which costs $2.99, is as entertaining as the first two installments. Renegade, on the other hand, alters the game's vibe because much of the action takes place in the sleazy and violent underbelly of this future sport. Riptide GP Renegade combines the thrills of classic arcade games with the sensitivities of modern smartphone technology, allowing players to do a variety of stunts and activate turbo boosts on your hydrofoil by simply swiping their fingertips over the screen. Number 6. Legends of Runeterra. Legends of Runeterra will be a fantastic experience for Hearthstone lovers. The game can be described as an online deck-building game in which players collect cards and heroes, design their own decks using the resources available to them, and face other players online. Legends of Runeterra now boasts a total of 24 champions, a variety of cards, and the option of inviting and playing against friends, thanks to the addition of new champions recently. Number 5. Doom 2. Doom and Doom 2, both etched in the annals of video game history, are two games that have withstood the test of time and may still be considered among the most enjoyable games ever made. This iconic first-person shooter, which was released nearly 30 years ago, has made its way to the mobile platform and can be readily downloaded from the Google Play Store. Doom and 2 are hardly the most technologically advanced games available on the internet, but they are by far the most charming. Add to that the fact that Bethesda rectified a number of bugs with the mobile versions, including touchscreen controls and the need for a Bethesda.net account to play the game. Recent updates have improved the game even more, allowing it to run at 90 to 120 frames per second and in 16:9 aspect ratios. Number 4. Call of Duty Mobile. For PC and console gamers, Call of Duty has been a very popular franchise, and now mobile gamers may delight in the news that there is a version named Call of Duty Mobile as well. The latest improvements to this game, developed by Activision and Tencent Games subsidiary Tiwi Studios, make it even better. While the original version included Team Deathmatch, Zombie Mode, and Battle Royale mode, the most recent update adds a new Warfare mode, which is a grittier and more intense 20v20 Battle Royale. COD Mobile is one of the best shooting games available on Android, thanks to its rapid gameplay, in-game purchases, a plethora of unique goods, credits, and specialized controls for mobile phones, as well as the fact that it is free to play. Number 3. Anima. Anima is a game that is evocative of the original Diablo games, and it is a joy to have on the Android platform in that regard. This ARPG also includes a loot system, a dark fantasy backdrop, and a classic isometric perspective that shouts Diablo from the past. Furthermore, the game is completely free to play and can be downloaded by anyone who wants a taste of ARPG fun on their smartphone. Number 2. Donut County. Donut County was not only one of the best independent games of 2018, but it is also a fantastic game today. Donut County is a fun, well-created, and incredibly engaging game to play, despite its short length when compared to the other amazing games available on the Android platform. The plot is also unique, with the player taking on the role of a whole capable of sucking everything into its depths. It can devour small things at first, but the more it consumes, the bigger it gets, and soon even massive hills are too small of a feast for this never-satisfied vacuum. It takes at least a few cues from the Katamari Damacy series, but it does so in a way that seems fresh. Number 1. Pokémon Go. At the turn of the century, augmented reality seemed like a pipe dream, but it has become a reality, with games like Pokémon Go utilizing the same principle to create something amazing. Players can capture Pokémon, fight in battles for gym ownership, rest at Pokestops, and even accomplish side quests while enjoying the IRL breeze in this Nintendo-published game. This game, which was first released in 2016, has gotten even better thanks to some recent upgrades. Some of the intriguing new features include brand new Pokémon as well as a specific R mode for the game. It's not only a great game, but it's also good for your health. When playing this game, all players need to remember is to keep their eyes on the road rather than on their cell phones. What do you think of this video? Do let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.